Today, I'm gonna tell you a story. Blizzard. Blizzard. Chapter 1. What is a blizzard? Mix together strong winds and heavy snow. What do you get? A blizzard. Blizzards are one of the nature's most powerful storms. Blizzards only happen when it is cold. Why? On warm days, clouds make rain. But on very cold day, the water that falls to earth is frozen. That makes snow. Fast fact. It has to be less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit for snow to fall. Snow contains a lot of air. That makes it much lighter than water. That is a fact that in a blizzard, it does not just snow. It snows and snows and snows. A little snow is fun, but lots of snow can be dangerous. Billions of snowflakes fall during a blizzard. All of them have 6 sides. But guess what? Each snowflake is a little different. Snowflakes look like this close. Which one is your favorite? Chapter 2. The blizzard hits. Blizzard blow snow to huge piles called snowdrift. Snowdrifts can be more than 20 feet tall. It's taller than a giraffe. Winter weather is cold, so the snow doesn't melt. It just piles up and up and up. Blizzards can cause big problems. Snow buries sidewalks and mailboxes, and the blowing winds knock down trees and power lines. The falling snow can also make it very hard to see. It is called a whiteout because there is white. Fast fact, in America, most blizzards happen in December, January, and February. Chapter 3. Staying safe. When the weather report says that a blizzard is coming, people get to have ready. They shut their windows tightly. They make sure the pets are safely inside. People also make sure they have lots of food. Why? They may be stuck inside for a long time. Snow blocks road, track, and one way. That means vehicle can go everywhere. But not all. Airplanes? What about it? Blizzards keep grown-ups from going to work. They keep kids from going to school. They keep pets from going outside. That is until the snow blows calmer. Okay, thank you for reading this story.